Hotel officially ushered in the holiday season with its annual Christmas tree lighting ceremony on Saturday, November 9, 2024, honoring the spirit of family, community, and togetherness. The star of the night was the Panaghiusa tree, a remarkable Christmas tree crafted from dried Anahaw leaves, representing the Filipino spirit and the deep meaning of unity. This unique centerpiece captures the essence of local culture while inviting guests to embrace the values of togetherness and joy that define the season.
This tree symbolizes Filipino tradition and at the same time our shared aspirations. If you may have noticed, our tree is carefully decorated by dried Anahaw leaves, and this is a symbol of Maayo Hotel's commitment to sustainability and at the same time our heart of giving back, because these leaves were personally made by our partner communities from the different mountain barangays here in Cebu.
The festive evening also celebrated a milestone partnership with the world-renowned Banyan Group, set to elevate Maayo Hotel's guest experience to new heights with world-class service and a dedicated focus on wellness. Engineer 𝗕𝗆𝗆𝗏 Jr., President and Chairman, and Paulette Liu, Senior Vice President for Human Resources and Administration at Primary Group of Builders, shared insights on what guests can expect from this exciting partnership.
More exciting, different from what you can expect from other hotels. Again, this has now local and international flavors that will probably be extending our footprint up to Europe. There's also active in the US as well. So this is bringing Cebu to the world.
This is the first step probably for a long-term partnership. And we're focusing on the wellness aspect since Banyan is known for the wellness hotel. Besides, Maayo Hotel Mandaue is near, or on the other side of Maayo Hotel is the hospital of Maayo, which is a medical center. So we're trying to position ourselves to medical tourism.
Meanwhile, 𝗕ᵉ𝘆cie 𝗛𝗲𝗃, Senior Vice President for Design and Business Development at Banyan Group, shared his optimism for the future of Maayo Hotel under their esteemed HOMM brand, expressing high hopes for this new chapter in hospitality excellence.
We have home in 7 different countries, from China, Korea, Thailand, Indonesia, Laos, and so on. And every property, every destination is unique, but they have the similarity, the sense of place, the unique. All the guests will feel home.
In addition, Engineer Liu detailed the reasons behind choosing to partner with the Singapore-based Banyan Group to operate and manage Maayo Hotel in Mandaue, highlighting their shared vision for exceptional service and wellness-focused hospitality.
As you know, Maayo is a very wholesome wellness brand, and so is Banyan. And so we would like to align our standards to a global stage so that we can level up and have a facility that we can all be proud of. And we see them as a long-term, our values align, and also our goals and vision are similar. So we in turn will be exposed to the Banyan network globally.
The evening unfolded with festive music as guests were enchanted by a violin performance and the acoustic sounds of the a cappella group Music Amigos. Delicious food and heartwarming moments filled the air, officially kicking off the season's celebrations. This has been 𝗕𝗆𝗆𝗃𝗏 Espinosa for MyTV Cebu.